back or welcome to the channel on today. Thanks for clicking on the video and make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Now let's enjoy the video together. They say your house is always clean. Well, there are days like this when it's worst before it gets better. Fall is just around the corner, and now it's time to deep clean before the fall decorating season. This is deep cleaning room number 1. Listen, you really need to be in shape to clean your house. And it's been about, let's say, since June that I've tried to deep clean my house. And I just like to say, I am tired. I am tired, and I am not even halfway done. So, little energy, shot of energy. This is my second, little cool pop, and yeah. But anyway, if you're new here, I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Prices, Home Life, and more. I do home decor, deep cleaning, cooking, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. These are things that interest you. You know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe to my channel. Do it right now. Well, yeah, my little 20-minute break is over. Now, back to work. And yeah, let me go because these mosquitoes, Debbie brought some mosquitoes to the house. So I ordered some new window treatments, and I just found out they will not be arriving for another 3 to 4 weeks. So let's consider this a pre-fall window treatment because yeah, I wasn't going to leave it blank. Well, let's continue. Cleaning for me is very therapeutic, whether I do it in the morning or the evenings. But evenings, well, no one is actually stirring in the house, so it's a little more peaceful. So drop it down in the comments below. What's the best time to clean at your house? I'm super excited for the fall decorating season. And thank you to everyone who participated in my recent poll. Thank you for helping me to name my playlist for fall 2024. Oh, I was just pausing so you can see the shine on that table. Videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now let's check out my latest playlist.